welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to plan for August in my Hemlock Oak B5 Minimalist Planner, and the theme is Nautical. And normally I would flip through everything that I'm working with before starting, and I did, but I didn't record it. So down below I have linked the haul where I went through the entire collection. And if you just want to see August, you can flip to August. But all I've done is put down the title and a few little doodle stickers and the calendar. So that's all you missed. But anyway, I'm going to be writing with a Zebra Sarasa Grand in green black. I thought that'd be something different for the month. So let's continue to set up my overview, and then we can move on to setting up the layout for the monthly spread.
About yesterday, your smile, your style so fly, my oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Can you imagine us two out in the woods in a big old house? We'd pass our days on clouds floating around. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck, give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. Oh, we could be birds discovering the world, the best ones they've ever heard about. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. I promise you, promise you. Oh, there must be gold on those lips and honey on those fingertips. I promise you, promise you. I promise you.
First thing I'm going to do is look at the back reference, and I'm going to choose 312 Tombow to mark in my annual leave, because I take my summer leave in August, and I actually meant to mark it from the 10th and started on the 3rd, but sure, I used my Tombow mono correction tape to remove it, and as the month fills up with stickers, it'll not be noticeable, so it's fine. Next, I'm using my little TCMC labels to mark the bank holiday on the 31st, so I'll not be back until the 1st of September, which is brilliant. So, next thing I'm going to mark then is a birthday on the 3rd, and I'm just going to use a little label and a balloon. There's quite a lot of birthdays in August, so it's good to have the extra icon sheet to be able to get the extra balloons. It's definitely been handy this year. Now I'm putting down a payday script from Hubman and Chubgirl, and I'm going to put a little dollar note sign beside it from the icons. And then after that, I'm going to mark my nephew's birthday, and I'm going to do the same thing and use a little label, a smaller label from, I think they're the 1.3 inch size that I got, and then a little balloon as well. Then I'm going to mark down a hair appointment, and that's on the 22nd, Saturday after payday. And I'm going to use this little emoji head that has a hairbrush beside it and a comb, no, a hairbrush and a pair of scissors. And then it says hair appointment underneath it. And then I have another birthday on the 23rd, so same thing, one of the 1.3 inch labels and a little balloon to mark that. And then finally, of the things I need to mark in advance, is another birthday on the 29th. And same thing, little label and a balloon, and that's for my niece. And then I will have everything in, and I'll be able to move on to my monthly review.
Somehow I noticed you with your back against the wall, broken hearted from before. I see it in your eyes. Somehow I longed for you at the start of something new. Was it just a light I knew from way before? Oh, why am I running from the light? Oh, why am I starting every fight? Oh, I wanna make it alright. Oh, why can we make it through the night? Somehow you pulled me in without saying anything. Didn't know what it would bring standing next to you. Somehow I felt it then, like a door I thought I closed. All the love I had opposed was seeing you. Oh, why am I running from the light? Oh, why am I starting